Okay, here's a rare event in my life, is balancing the Tesla module for real. In my previous videos, I failed to show an actual live balancing session because I didn't know what I was doing, so I finally figured out how to connect this thing. The ISDT T8. Here's what it looks like in action. So the cell balancing is occurring now. I put it at 12.9 amps because I'm using a 15 amp circuit through this long extension cord. So there's going to be some efficiency loss going through that rat nest, through there and into the house panel. So I'm guessing if I try to pull a full 15 amps out of this, it may kind of overload something or trip something. So here I finally do have the do-it-yourself battery management system in action right there. So eventually everything's going to be about 4.10 volts charged. So that's one method of charging and balancing a Tesla module without using a standard RV charger or the one that I have here built in. This is only something I do occasionally just to get it balanced. Because this is noisy, I don't like using this charger as much as I do that one.